Welcome back to PowerPoint Training Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a template or how to save a file into a template file. There will be times when you've spent hours working on a slide deck and you think, wow, that's a beautiful piece of kit and I'm going to use that again some point soon. Instead of just reopening it and then changing the slides to whatever you need it to be, you can save that as a team so that then next time you open it, it will open without all the content already on it. Now, just bear in mind is that you'll have to do a bit of work within the master slide deck or the master view in order to save those parts or slide parts. To find out how to do that, you can view the video above. Okay. Now, to save a template or a team on PowerPoint, all you need to do is go into Design, and you've then got your Teams box. So if you just scroll down, you'll see a list of teams which are available for you to pick. Don't want one of those. You want to click on the drop down, and then down the very bottom, you will have Save Current Team. Press that, it will automatically open into the Microsoft's team folder. So you can see up here, we can do the path. It's in this PC, Microsoft templates, then document teams. Bit of a nuisance to remember that, so always be careful. Don't just save it straight away because you can lose where that file is then. So I always recommend saving it somewhere else. So for instance, I'm just going to save this into the downloads folder. Just going to name it Team 1. I'm going to press save. I'm just going to hide PowerPoint for now. And I'm going to open Windows Explorer, go to the downloads folder, and you'll now see we've got Team 1 there, saved today at 11:42. And then you've got two options. You can either double click that to open it, or you can apply the team. You can see the last week's video on how to do that. And that is it, folks. Have a good day and thank you very much. Thank you for joining us today for another Bite-Sized Monday. If you liked this video today or found it useful in any way, please hit that like button. And while you're there, hit the subscribe. You can do that below or in the top corner up here. And if you want to learn more about PowerPoint, why not check out another video? Until next time, guys, goodbye.